Hello, my name is Plamen, and in today's Axway SecureTransport how-to video, I will walk you through all the improvements we have added in the new Route Templates UI. If you watch this video with a freshly installed SecureTransport, you will probably have a view like this. No templates are installed by default, and this link here will redirect you to our documentation, where you can check all the details we have shared about the routing mechanism. Typically, an ST instance has one too many templates already available. That could make opening the right one not an easy job. That is why we have added the search field on top. Depending on your preferences, you can resize and make either of the columns larger or smaller. Template route is a route I would like us to explore together. The quick action buttons are available immediately on top of the screen. Cancel or delete the template. As delete is a sensitive subject, you'll be prompted, of course, to confirm the operation. Besides the new components that we have on the screen, you have a new structure with 3 tabs. One with the list of routes. Another one for the notifications, and the third one for the attributes. That speeds up the configuration as it lets you reach the right object faster. The table with routes is also tuned with the searching field because we know some of you have a lot of routes here and searching is a nightmare, or actually it was. Let's explore in details the new funky additions to this UI. The 6 dots to the left indicate you can drag and drop this component and reorder the routes as you need them. The 3 dots to the right indicate there is a context menu that holds the reordering action as well. You can switch between 3 different options. The steps column can now be used as a quick view of what is inside that particular route and what is the sequence of the steps. The routing ones have special icons that provide you with easy access to where the files will be routed. Inside the All Steps route, I have added all core steps. On top of the table, you have access to a list with quick actions that can be performed on one or many of the steps. For example, let's select all and disable them. Again, select all, enable them. Besides the multiple columns that provide inside information of each step, the flow column is pretty powerful. You can directly change the flow execution, and that reflects to the line to the right that helps you understand what's the sequence. For example, if we change that to stop on failure, see the icons for failure and stop. And about this one, stop on success, icon for success and stop. And in case any of the non-last steps is set to always stop, we will mark it in orange to indicate something might not be correct with the configuration. See also how the line of the flow breaks here. I will not go into the details of each step, but will emphasize on one more improvement, the expression language widget. When you define the execution condition, it could be based on dynamic data. In that case, you switch to specify a condition. Click the button to the right and explore all the possible options, as well as extend the list with AND and OR. So let's start with one of the examples given here. Once we click it, it will automatically be used in the field. Once you open it again, you might decide to switch and use any of the other examples. For example, the client upload and failure. Then you can extend that expression with clicking AND or OR next to the example so that you can easily add that specific example to your already available expression. Let's choose that one with an AND. Let's open it again, explore other options, and add another one with OR. And the last thing, once you open any of the available steps to modify it, you can see that now the page is loaded to the right of your screen in a side panel, so that you can at the same time modify that and still see in which route this steps is part of, and also what's the sequence of the steps. Another improvement is the breadcrumb. Here you have direct access to either the template route, which is the root of your routes here, or you can click the route templates, which will bring you back to the main list of all routes. And that's all I wanted to share with you regarding our new capabilities of the improved admin UI route templates. Yes, I might have missed some of the improvements, but I'll leave that to you so you can download and install our latest version, play with the route templates, and see the benefits of our new UI. For example, performance, like listing all of your templates or listing all of the routes within a single template. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.